morning, everyone. So today is a very auspicious day in Kaveri Hospital, Alvarpet, and because we have launched the Women Wellness Clinic, and we are very honored that actress Shalini Ajit had made her honors here and unveiled the clinic for us. So the main purpose is, as a physician, we see on a daily basis lot of women. ஸோ ஒரு பிபி சுகர் ஹார்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்னா ஓப்பனாக வந்து பேசுறதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு இடம் இருக்கு. ஸோ எல்லாருமே என்ன கேட்குறாங்க, ஒரு பொதுவாக பேசும்போது உனக்கு பிபி இருக்கா, உனக்கு சுகர் இருக்கா, நீ டாக்டரை பார்த்தியா, உன் ஹார்ட் நல்லா இருக்கா, இதெல்லாம் பேசுறதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு இடம் இருக்கு. டுவர்ட்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஃபேமிலி ஒரு லேடிக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பேசும்போது இதுதான் பேசுகிறாங்க. பட் எல்லா விமனுக்குமே there might be a problem which is underlying, which they are not being able to open up. அது மெயினா பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவங்களுடைய மார்பக சம்பந்தமா இருக்கலாம், like breast issues, or it could be with their uterus, menstrual சம்பந்தமா இருக்கலாம், ரொம்ப ஓவர் ப்ளீடிங்கா இருக்கலாம், fertility issues இருக்கலாம், or sometimes பாத்தீங்கன்னா it could be even a normal incontinence உங்களுக்கு யூரினை வந்துட்டு ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிக்க முடியாது. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து டே டு டே லைஃப்ல வந்துட்டு இட் கிவ்ஸ் them a lot of ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். அவங்க குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் டெய்லி ரொட்டீன்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க நிறைய கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஓப்பன் அப்பா பேசணும்னா ஜென்ரலாவே விமன் கேட்பாங்க, ஒரு லேடி டாக்டர் இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்குமே. இது வந்து காலங்காலமா நம்ம காதுல விழுது. ஸோ இந்த மெயின் தாட், a lady can approach a lady, or women can approach a women better. And here with a panel of best expertise with us, we thought this is a vision of Kaveri Hospital to start the Women Wellness Clinic. And the whole panel is full of gynecologists, obstetricians, and urologists, and breast surgeons and plastic surgeons. So everybody is here for them to approach. So இதுதான் எங்களுடைய மூல காரணம் எதுக்காக இந்த Women Wellness Clinic. Now I'll give it to my colleague Dr. Sabiha to explain more.
The reason why we have launched this Women's Wellness Center is what? Because it has been our long time dream and goal that we said we wanted to include all the multi-speciality department under one roof. Okay, so this is the main reason, because at every place we have all doctors at different places, but the reason that is special about this particular wellness center is that we are providing our women with all the departments under the same place, and which is quite exclusively only for women, because they have their time, they have their space to discuss with us their issues, and so that we can put them on to and we can guide them, like which department they have to go, because they are all in one place. They don't have to move around like searching for doctors or searching for places, because we are giving them the best of the skills, expertise present under one roof. That is our main idea of opening this Kaveri Wellness Women's Center. The center, as you say, it should include the holistic approach. Yes, we do agree. We do have departments for that. But our main thing was the concerns that the women has, their main problems. There is so much of hesitation for them to bring out their problems to one particular person. So that effort they liked to speak to a women doctor. And in the women doctor means the first they reach out to a family physician, or the first point of contact for them is an obstetrician and gynecologist, where they can discuss with certain other issues. Like say for example, it's related to their abnormal bleeding that they have, or it is related to, as doctor said, to their urinary complaints, because there are certain issues which women don't feel free to just come out like that. They need some place and space to discuss the issues. That is what we are trying to say about the health conditions where they are facing the challenges. Regarding the mental health, we do have our psychiatrists, we do have psychologists who are all women doctors, where when there is a one point of contact with us, we advise them or we refer them, you need such a treatment, you will be benefited by this consultant. So we refer them to the required consultants needed, because we have all the facilities and all. As we are focusing on women, we have the women doctor specialties at Kaveri Hospital. We do have physiotherapy department, as you say. We have a counselor who can teach yoga. We have people who can teach them exercise and bring in. We have preventive health checkups. We are not only focusing on problems. We are having preventive health checkups. We have vaccination centers where we can provide all the services to them.